Hi explorers, welcome back to another video and also welcome back to our channel. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Hi explorers, today I'm going to show you how you can do a quick renter-friendly door mirror installation. I'm going to be using 6 of these 12-pound command strips, which will be great to hold the weight of this mirror. Also, go check out my video which shows how to remove command strips without damaging the wall or surface that it is on. I will provide a link to where you can find these items in the description box below. I particularly bought this mirror because I wanted to see my full body length, especially when I want to try on different outfits. It also gives a true reflection of your actual body size compared to some mirrors that can make you look either fatter or slimmer than you actually are. So I have a little story for you guys. I did not always have one of these full-length mirrors, but I was motivated to get one after I stood in front of one in a store sometime during the pandemic. And I got the shock of my life when I saw how much weight I had gained during that time. To be honest, I always knew that I had gained some weight, but I have always been using my dresser mirror, which has always been showing my top half, but I did not realize how much weight it was until I finally stood in front of a full-length door mirror. Now, enough of me and my stories. I'm putting 6 of these 12-pound command strips on the back, which are easy to remove. Don't have to worry about drilling or anything like that because these will do the trick. I'm going to be installing this mirror on the wall instead of on a door. The surface that I'm putting it on is wood and it is pretty smooth. I'm not sure how well it will work on concrete. I know it works best on surfaces that are smooth, but I think it's definitely worth the try. If you're trying to install this on a wooden or metal door, I think it should work perfect just the same. So once you have gotten the command strips on the back of the mirror, now it's time to remove the remaining sticker paper. For the mirror to show the full length of your body, you're gonna have to lift it about 15 inches from the ground and then press it firmly against the wall, or if you're putting it against the door, for about 30 seconds. Now there you go, mirror installed and ready to be used. Alright, now before you go, please do us a favor by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, now you're gonna click that notification bell, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and most of all, share with the people you know. Help us to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for following all those steps. I will see you in the next video. Bye.